Welcome to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am Evan, and I am here to get you ready for the market open. Today's episode is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals and stock recommendations. Let's dive in. Palantir is grabbing headlines after reporting an absolute blockbuster quarter. Revenue grew 85% year over year, the fastest pace since they went public, and they raised their full-year guidance significantly, driven by explosive demand for their AI software from both government and commercial clients. Despite the beat, the stock is seeing some profit-taking in the pre-market, likely because expectations were already sky-high. Next, NBIS Group is in focus. They recently agreed to acquire AI in a deal worth over $600 million, which investors are cheering as it boosts their AI inference and engineering capacity. This follows a strong contract win with Meta, and the market is clearly rewarding their aggressive expansion in the AI infrastructure space. Finally, GameStop is down around 1% pre-market. The stock took a 10% hit yesterday following news of an unsolicited $56 billion bid for eBay. The market is very skeptical about how a video game retailer can finance such a massive deal, and even famous investor Michael Burry has reportedly exited his position, calling the acquisition strategy incompatible with GameStop's financial health. Looking at the broader market, futures are pointing to a positive open today. Investors are shaking off yesterday's risk-off session, where concerns over rising oil prices and geopolitical tensions in the Strait of Hormuz weighed on sentiment. While crude remains elevated, the market seems to be decoupling from the daily oil volatility, refocusing instead on strong underlying fundamentals and massive AI capital expenditure plans. We are watching for any new headlines out of the Middle East, but for now, the focus is shifting back to earnings season and the resilient economic data. In the AI economy, the biggest theme remains the massive infrastructure build-out. We are seeing a major shift as companies like Google, Microsoft, and xAI have agreed to give the US government early access to their latest AI models for security evaluations. This is a significant step in AI regulation. Meanwhile, IBM made waves at their Think conference today, announcing new capabilities for multi-agent orchestration, highlighting that the real challenge for enterprises right now is moving from pilot projects to actually seeing a return on investment from their AI spending. Shifting to stocks in focus, we have a busy earnings board today. Among the heavy hitters, Coca-Cola and AstraZeneca are reporting before the bell, while after the close, we are looking at AMD and Arista Networks. AMD is particularly important for the chip sector, as investors are looking to see if their data center growth can keep pace with the massive demand from hyperscalers. Visa is also on the docket after the close, which will provide a critical look at the health of the consumer. Keep an eye on how these companies guide for the rest of the year, as that will be the primary driver for price action today. To wrap things up, we covered Palantir's earnings beat, the ongoing drama surrounding GameStop's bid for eBay, and the positive momentum in AI infrastructure as major tech players agree to new security review protocols. With major earnings from AMD and others on deck, it is going to be a volatile and interesting session. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if there is a specific stock or sector you want me to cover tomorrow. For stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai. Thanks for listening, and good luck out there today.